Hello everyone. The title of our project is Water Level Indicator for Alerting Population About Floods. Index. We have objective, abstract, introduction. We listed out components and their descriptions. We have block diagram and project pictures to explain the project visually. We are ending with results, advantages, conclusion and future scope. Objective. The aim of our project is to design a system that will monitor the water level in the dam and also to intimate the concerned authority when water level exceeds the limit. Abstract. Microcontroller is responsible for controlling the dam gates and giving interrupts to LCD and GSM. The water level sensors are used to detect the information regarding the water level in the dam. GSM is used to send alert message to concerned authority. DC motor is used to open and close the gates of the dam. LCD is used to display the information. Introduction. Flooding is the most common disaster which destroys homes, crops and buildings and everything in its way. Farmers get deeply harmed because of the floods. Many mishaps have happened because of floods. As the frequency of floods in India is high, we need an early flood warning system which can work effectively, utilizing less electric power and less manpower. Hence, we have chosen this subject. The components we have used in our project are GSM modem, Arduino relay module, microcontroller, LCD, water level sensors, DC motor, embedded C. Block diagram. This is our block diagram. The heart of our project is the microcontroller. We are using PIC 16F72. Water level sensors 1, 2 and 3 are connected to the microcontroller. Power supply of 3 volts is provided to the microcontroller. Microcontroller is connected to DC motor through motor driver. PIC 16F72 microcontroller. PIC stands for Peripheral Interface Controller. 16 is PIC series number. F stands for family. 72 is controller series number. PIC 16F72 is a CMOS flash-based 8-bit microcontroller. It belongs to mid-range PIC, RISC and Harvard architecture. We have used PIC 16F72 because of the presence of strong peripherals. It has an on-chip analog to digital converter. Instruction set is simple as it only consists of 35 instructions. It consumes less power, low cost and it is flexible and high in performance. It has an inbuilt brownout reset. Operation speed is 20 MHz, 200 nanoseconds. Level sensors 1, 2 and 3. Level sensors detect the level of liquids and other fluids. We have placed them at 3 different levels. Our sensors are nothing but 2 probes which are internally connected with some resistance. When they get short, resistor drops the voltage and sends information. Crystal oscillator. Electronic oscillator which uses mechanical resonance of a vibrating crystal. The crystal is of piezoelectric material. Provides precise frequency. Use it to provide stable clock signal. Arduino relay module. A relay consists of an electromagnet which causes a switch to close or open. We use Arduino relay module instead of Arduino because an Arduino cannot handle and switch high voltage or high power circuits. We are using a 5 voltage 2 channel relay module. GSM modem. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications. It is a digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services. GSM uses TDMA, time division multiple access. GSM digitizes and compresses data, then sends it down through a channel with 2 other streams of user data, each in its own slot. Power supply required is 3.4 volts to 4.5 volts. DC motor. DC motor is a machine that transforms electric energy into mechanical energy. DC motors have inductors inside which produce magnetic field used to generate movement. Power supply for DC motor is 5 volts. LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. It's a flat panel display technology which is used to convey information by displaying it. LCD uses light modulating property of liquid crystals. LCD is very important for embedded systems. L239D DC driver. Motor driver acts as an interface between DC motor and microcontroller. Motor driver is used to convert low current control signal to high current signal which can drive motor. L293D is a 16-pin IC which can control a set of 2 DC motors. simultaneously in any direction. Embedded C. We are using Embedded C to embed the program into our project. This is our flowchart. Explanation of the project, the working. Switch on the kit and provide the power supply to the GSM, microcontroller and LCD. Provide power to the DC motor with the battery provided. Insert the SIM card into the GSM modem and activate it. Reset the modem in order to remove all the previous data. The SMS will be sent from the inserted SMS card. Introduce the level sensor 1 into the water. See that the LCD displays the message that the water has reached level 1. Observe the gate to be in closed position. Introduce the level sensor 2 into the water. The LCD displays the message that the water has reached level 1. The gate is half opened. After the water comes into contact with the level sensor 3, the LCD displays that the highest level, that is level 3, is reached and the GSM sends a SMS to the saved mobile number. We can observe that the gate is completely opened in order to empty the excess water. After the level sensors come into contact with the water, the information is sent to the microcontroller which displays the message on LCD which was provided to it via the code. Then the driver interfaces the software interrupt to the DC motor, making it open or close the gate when needed. When the level sensor 3 senses if the water is reached or exceeded, it passes the information to the GSM from which the alert message is sent to the mobile number which are already present in the code. This is our project picture. Advantages: low cost, efficient design, low power consumption, provides the information regarding water level in dams. Alerting of dam fill can make the nearby areas alert in case of emergency. Limitations are: water level controls need to be replaced every 3 years. Due to water contact, rusting of panels occur. Applications: to detect the water level automatically, to prevent the overflow of water near dams, send alerting messages to the authorities. Audible alert is to alert nearby areas when dam is full. This is our result. As you can see the message, alert, water level is high in water. In river, dam gates are opened. Conclusion: this system will help to monitor the different threshold levels in dams and also sends the information to the concerned authority to take the appropriate decision. Future scope: this project can be used to avoid disasters and mishaps because of the sudden release of water from dams. In many industries like chemical, there is a restriction on liquid level of a container. In such cases, level controller can maintain level of the liquid at desired level. These are the references. Thank you.
These are the 3 water level sensors. So when it touches the level 1, the status of the water will be level 1 and gate remaining closing. As you can see, when you touch the level 2 sensor, the status of the water is level 2 and gate has been opened. Now it's fully connected. Level 1, level 2, level 3 sensor are in water position. So now the water status is level 3 and gate has been opened and a buzzer indicator is on. Again, when it comes to level 2, again it will go to the level 2 and it will move. And when it comes to level 1, then it will automatically close. So like this you can control the dam gate by using sensors.